Greetings to all of you. We are glad to have you back at the T&H Podcast. I am Hannah.
And I'm Thomas.
Let me ask you something. Which phrase is correct? Do homework or make homework?
Or consider this. Is it make a mistake or do a mistake? This specific pair often trips up students.
If you have ever paused and wondered which one to use, you aren't the only one. It's a mistake almost everyone makes when they start out.
It's completely standard. Students across the globe struggle with do and make. Don't worry, it's part of the process.
The positive side is that by the end of this session, everything will be much more straightforward. You will understand the distinction between do and make, allowing you to speak with greater ease and self-assurance. So just take it easy and stick with us.
Let's turn English into something uncomplicated, authentic, and enjoyable right here on our channel.
Definitely. So, Hannah, how did you spend your day yesterday?
It was quite a packed day. I finished some tasks, made my lunch, and then organized my schedule for today. What about you, Thomas?
My day was pretty much the same. I worked on my assignments, made some breakfast, and naturally, I slipped up a few times as well.
That is just how life goes.
If you're enjoying this, please remember to like the video and subscribe so you stay updated with all our channel content.
Also, leave a comment below. We want to know what your day was like yesterday.
Okay, let's dive in and make English feel effortless and intuitive. Hannah, can I be honest? Do and make are confusing. Really confusing.
Oh yes, totally. And I know why. Because in English, both do and make can sometimes translate to the same verb in other languages. So we think, oh, same meaning, easy. But nope.
Exactly. And then we start asking, okay, I want to do my homework. So should I say do homework or make homework? Oh, wow, it gets tricky fast.
That's the core issue. English isn't about literal translation. Those who speak it natively don't pause to analyze the grammar. They just go with what sounds right.
Right? They don't check grammar rules every time. They speak by habit. It's all about what feels right in the moment.
Exactly. Habit and fixed phrases. Some words just naturally go together. It's like best friends who always stick together.
So in English, it's not about which word means to do.
Nope. It's more like which one sounds natural here. That's the key.
Ah, now I get it. So if I just focus on the feeling of the sentence instead of translating, it becomes simpler.
Precisely. Once that clicks, the whole process becomes much more manageable. You move away from mental translation and begin to actually think in the language.
And that's when your speech becomes more fluid and certain.
Exactly. Don't be concerned if it's still a bit blurry. It's a very common experience. In the following segment, we'll go over some basic, memorable rules that native speakers follow instinctively. Let's get into some straightforward, authentic English. Let's go. All right, Thomas, let's start with rule number 1. And don't worry, this rule is very simple.
Yes, simple is good. So when do we use do, Hannah?
Okay, here it is. Ready? We use do for tasks, work, duties, and activities.
Tasks and activities, so things we have to do every day.
Exactly. Daily things. Things you need to finish. The important part is the action, not the result.
Oh, so we care about doing the action, not what we create.
Yes, perfect. With do, we don't focus on the final result. We just focus on the activity itself.
Okay, give me some real examples.
Sure. We say do homework, not make homework. Homework is a task, right?
Right, a school task.
We also say do the dishes. It's a daily chore, something you have to do.
Yes, I do the dishes every night.
Exactly. And how about work? We say do your job because it's your duty, your responsibility.
Yes, and one more very common one, do exercise. It's an activity. You're focusing on moving your body, not creating something.
Oh, wow. I see it now. Homework, dishes, job, exercise, all daily activities. So remember this,
Do is usually used for everyday tasks, things you must do, things on your to-do list.
So if it feels like work or responsibility, then do is probably the right choice.
Nice, simple, clear, and very real. And don't worry, in the next part, we'll talk about make, and you'll see the difference even more clearly.
All right, Hannah, we talked about do. Now I'm curious, what about make?
Yes, make. This one is actually very fun, and the rule is clear.
Okay, I'm listening.
We use make when we create something, produce something, or when there is a result at the end.
Oh, so with make, something appears.
Yes, exactly. After make, there is something new, a result you can see or feel.
Give me an example.
Sure. In the morning, you make breakfast, right? Before, there was no breakfast, and after, boom, breakfast is there.
Yes, that's the idea.
Another very common one, make a mistake.
Oh wow, everyone does that.
Yes, a mistake didn't exist before, but after the action, the mistake appears. That's why we use make, not do.
Okay, that makes sense. What about decisions?
Good one. We say make a decision. At first you're thinking, then suddenly you choose. The decision is created.
And of course, make money.
Yes, after working, the result is money. So again, make focuses on the result.
So let me check if I understand. Do is about the action, make is about the result.
Perfect, you got it. If something appears at the end, food, a plan, a mistake, money, we usually use make.
Wow, this is much clearer now.
Yes, just remember this feeling. After make, there's something there. Okay, Thomas, now let's put do and make next to each other side by side.
Yes, this part is important. This is where things really click.
Exactly. So remember, do is about the process. Make is about the result.
Process versus results. Okay, show me.
All right. First one, do work.
We say do work, not make work, right?
Yes, because work is an activity. You're focusing on the action, the effort, the process.
There's no work object at the end.
Exactly. Now, second example, make a plan.
Not do a plan.
Right, because after thinking and talking, a plan appears. That's the result.
Okay, that's very clear.
Last one, do cleaning.
Not make cleaning.
Yes, cleaning is a task. It's something you do. You focus on the activity, not creating cleaning.
Yeah, you can't create cleaning.
Exactly. So if it feels like an activity, a process, something on your to-do list, use do.
And if it feels like something appears at the end, a plan, food, money, a mistake, use make.
Simple contrast, right?
Very simple and very real English.
Yes. And in the next part, we'll look at some very common mistakes learners make so you can avoid them.
All right, now let's talk about something very real. Common mistakes. And yes, everyone makes them.
Oh yes, these are mistakes we hear all the time. Don't worry if you've said them before.
Okay, first one. I hear this a lot. Make homework.
That one sounds logical, but in English it's not correct.
Right? We don't create homework. Homework is a task.
So the correct phrase is do homework. Focus on the activity, not the results.
Okay, next mistake. Do a mistake.
Oh wow, this one is super common.
Yes, but we don't say that. We say make a mistake.
Because the mistake appears, it's the result of an action, so we use make.
All right, and the third one, do a decision.
Nope, that one should be make a decision.
Again, because a decision is created after thinking.
Exactly. So let's repeat this feeling one more time. Homework is a task, so we say do homework. A mistake is a result, so we say make a mistake. A decision is a result, so we say make a decision.
If you remember the reason, not just the phrase, you'll make fewer mistakes.
Yes, don't memorize blindly. Feel the meaning.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes while learning. That's how you learn.
Exactly. And next, we'll help you practice so you can use do and make naturally. Okay, enough rules, enough explanations. Let's use this in real life.
Yes, imagine this is just a normal morning. No classroom and no textbook, just us talking. Ready?
Ready. So, Thomas, how's your morning today?
Oh, busy, very busy. I woke up early and the first thing I did was do some work on my laptop.
Wow, already working in the morning?
Yeah, but after that, I made breakfast. Simple breakfast, but still, breakfast appeared.
Nice. See? Real life. You do work, but you make breakfast.
Exactly. And after eating, I had to do the dishes.
Of course, nobody escapes the dishes.
True. Then I sat down and made a plan for the day.
Oh, that's a good habit. What's in your plan?
Well, first I need to do my job. Meetings, emails, all that stuff.
Sounds familiar.
And later I want to make a decision about my weekend, travel or stay home.
Big decision.
Yes. And honestly, during the day, I'll probably make a few mistakes, but that's okay.
Of course, everyone makes mistakes. That's real life.
So yeah, nothing special, just a normal day.
And that's the point. We do daily tasks, we make results. Real English, real life.
Exactly. And you can talk about your day the same way. All right, now it's your turn. Don't just listen. Speak with us. Say it out loud, even if you're alone. That's how you improve.
Okay, first sentence. Listen, then speak. Every morning I breakfast.
Did you say make? Nice. Make breakfast. Something appears.
Great job. Now the second one. After work, I need to my homework.
The answer is do. Do homework. It's a task.
Perfect. Very, very natural. Now let's try 3 more. Speak out loud. Every evening the dishes.
Yes. Do the dishes. It's an activity you have to do.
Great. Next one. I always blank a plan before traveling.
Exactly. Make a plan. You create something, a plan.
Last one. Sometimes I accidentally blank a mistake at work.
Yes. Make a mistake. The mistake appears after your action.
Awesome. If you can say all 5 sentences smoothly, you're already using real English.
And remember, speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Yes, you're doing great. Keep practicing. Before we finish, we have a small question for you.
Yes, just a simple one, no pressure.
First question, what do you do every day?
Maybe you do work, do homework, or do exercise. Second question, what is something you make often?
Maybe you make breakfast, make plans, or make decisions. You can answer very simply. For example, every day I do.
Or, I usually make.
Write your answer in the comments. Short is perfect.
We'd love to read what you do and what you make every day.
And don't worry about being perfect, just be real.
Yes, real English, real people.
Go ahead, leave a comment. Wow, we went through a lot today. Let's quickly wrap it up.
Yes, 2 simple rules to remember.
Do is activity, something you do as a task or daily duty.
Make is result, something you create or that appears after your action.
And don't worry if you can't remember every single phrase. Really, the key is to listen and use English often.
The more you hear and speak, the more natural it becomes.
Exactly. Slowly, step by step, it will feel real and easy.
So remember, keep it real, keep it simple.
And see you next time on our channel.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing and have fun with English.